Fuck. You have a stop sign. Yeah.
Sorry, Mayor Garland?
Wow.
With the president of the United States.
That's going on my YouTube channel.
As a political matter, I would be willing to.
What? Why are we stopped? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god. Double yellow lines. No. No. It was your turn. It was your turn.
Literally any piece of meat you set on the ground for long enough, it's smoked. Okay. Yeah, that sounds pretty good, actually. I'm kind of upset that I was defined by jogging. Okay,
Good job.
That still leaves me.
No. Not a parking spot. It's the bike lane. Really? Good job. Very good. Parking in the fort. Whoa, bro. Very good. If only there was a bike lane somewhere. It's stupid. How? It's right there. Literally right in front of you.
Investigation leads. My concern is precisely about those people who were not.
Where are you trying to go?
Who clearly there was forethought here. There was intelligent planning with regard to what happened. We don't even have the bomb makers in custody. You know, the bombs that were planted at the
that's the wrong
RNC
way.
in my office, and then the bomb at the DNC. We still don't know who planted them or who made the bombs.
Oh, God.
And this is deeply disconcerting. All that being said, I do believe the Attorney General when he says that he's going to be going after all these other people. And perhaps within their investigation, they have leads that they are following, especially as they've been prosecuted from the ground up. My only request is we got to hustle. It's got to be 24/7 operation at this point. And if you just start like thinking about
Wrong way. The day that we got here, what are you doing?
If in fact the congressman is going to be indicted. So a lot of this is grand jury and you know, as I always say,
Good job.
grand juries, we will find out when we find out. There's a reason that process is secret. so
every day.
prosecutors can get the job done.
There's always that idiot.
And we
Parking spot literally right there. Oh, you're just gonna chill?
Bullshit attitude with the people that you meet in the street on the day to day. That's exactly
Wrong
the wrong
way.
fucking thing to do. Sure. That's not accomplished shit.
Yeah, and I feel like I've never.
Supposed to ride in the street, not the sidewalk.
What?
Not the sidewalk.
Her own history with the 60-volt threshold.
There's no need for me to
Bike lane's over here. Wrong way, fuckface. Goes that way.
He is barely my assholes.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Dude, use your eyes, asshole. Oh my god. Yeah, it's perfect time to cross against your light when there's a giant fire truck right next to me that I can't see around. He's so lucky I was going slow because of those scooters on the side. God. How are people so stupid?
And joining me is the amazing and talented Heath Enright from all of the puzzle shows that you know and love. Something you may not know about Heath is that he's a little bit competitive.
Genius.
I'm pretty relaxed.
I-
It's
you know.
just having fun.
Yeah,
It's all about going out there and having fun.
Oh, very good. Just follow that bus through the red light. Oh, very nice. Oh. Saw that. Light looks pretty red to me. Nope. Gotta get to the one 100 meters down the road.
Every poison that Angela sells. And Angela knows she's toxic, and she knows it's only a matter of time that your daughter realizes this too and sees that poison for what it is. When there's no point of comparison, it's hard to...
Just a quick tour of some Black YouTube comments that I've got.
Oh my god.
My
Seriously?
listens too much and they find it distracting, so that was interesting. Got
There's
another
there's
comment
parking right there.
that, oh yeah, my volume, my volume when I talk is too low, and so they can't watch any show that I'm on because they don't want to have to slide their volume up and down. And
I bet. Don't wear a Packers jersey to the Lions.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter if you win by 30 if you're going to be telling you to fuck up.
This is one of my favorites. Major road. Cannot park anywhere along here, but just do it anyway.
That looks.
There's tons of parking right there.
The speed limit is 30, but I'm just gonna stop.
It's not like this is one of the most major roads downtown at all.
Yeah, that looks fucking horrifying.
If I come up behind people doing that, I just stay in my lane and I just honk at them. I'm just like, yep. I don't like lay on it, but like I let them know that I'm there and that they're fucking up. Yes.
Is it working? 'Cause I hope it
Give
isn't.
them some
It usually works. Yes. And then I post them on YouTube and.
That's what I give Dan on what they're doing.
Oh yeah, I can tell when they're tourists. Just constantly like partially pulling over, like I can tell you're searching for a parking spot, but
Just freaked out
or
by city traffic.
yeah,
It's
that too.
It's a living thing instead of a solved equation.
Are you gonna pull all the way in or?
No.
Nah, why would we do that?
Okay.
Thanks for pulling all the way in.
I'm trying to. Oh my god.
Doesn't look like it. Oh my god, this is our friend. This is our trunk friend. Not a parking spot. There's parking over there. On the other side. Yeah? Oh, we're gonna double up. Bike lane! Bike lane! Can't park in the bike lane.
Is
Oh, fuck
dubious
off.
on so many
No.
different things. Yeah, more than 11,000 clay and papyri items in their collection have dubious problems. 11,000! The amount of money that was just spilled on. I just need, why wasn't I Mark Kaufman when this was happening?
Come on.
Anyway, there's one more thing. There's an ancient, looks legit, clay tablet, roughly the size of an iPhone, with cuneiform. That's not true. Can you now understand that your argument is flawed in the same way? Adrian?
Our call system
Oh,
dropped. Skype, which is technical, so everything just dropped off.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's 8 of you. You want to pile into my Pontiac? Sure, let's do it. This will be funny.
Like, it's surprising that, like, you think Seattle drivers are bad.
Yeah.
Well, like LA drivers.
Oh yeah.
Like, they go
Oh,
crazy.
trust me. I know we're not unique in
Yeah.
terms of
Like, my
having
friend-
bad drivers.
My friend honked at someone, and that car chased him for like almost 2 hours.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, like
2 hours.
Literally wouldn't let go. Yeah. My friend was straight out scared, because I was like, dude, like.
Yeah. It's mostly shit like this. Like, this is a great place to stop.
What is that guy doing?
Not a parking spot. Is there anyone in there?
I didn't see anyone.
Look, space. Oh, that would be too hard. I have to walk 10 extra feet.
Riders speeding about our upcoming project. Only God can care. Thanks for coming.
For the record, I'm only here because someone I know spray painted "It's pronounced GIF" on the side of my car, and I needed